site 1, and then for site 2 and site 3, the footprint of this high tunnel, we're going to have that whole area planted with, it's like green manure crops, but it will be grains, grasses, legumes, brassicas, and then whatever's the pigweed family. What is it?
Amaranth.
Amaranth. But there's another name. Chenopodiacea or something. Anyway, that is going to be, I'm going to take seeds from all those areas and probably have over 20 seeds and just broadcast them and water them, let them grow. And what it is plants reach a quorum. They sense a quorum when they get, especially over 8, definitely over 10, 11, 12 is a really good number. And what happens is they start interacting and support each other. So they create humus and they create so much organic matter and soil that in one season, from just a little bit of soil, you could probably double or triple your soil. And that might be a little conservative too, depending on, probably how it's seeded and what you use and how many you use. But the thing that's so great about it is this area is clay soil. It hasn't been worked or farmed. And then if I put the seeds in and just nurture it a little, when we're ready to move this, I'll just plant right inside of that. And so the plants will do a lot better. They'll have a lot more of the nutrients pulled up to the surface. And the farthest space, we'll leave that up maybe longer, maybe a year, until we plant in that. And that will really be conditioned. And we don't have to use fertilizer. It's a way for the plants to get nitrogen. And if you see a plant, I've actually seen this online, there's a whole bunch of particles that form around the roots, and this particular plant that I'm thinking of had nitrogen put on it originally, and so then those roots during that season were all bare, but the ones that had been put in this quorum sensing setting had all this, and there's a particular name, like sheath around it, of everything that you need, the plant needs to convert what it requires, to convert to make the plant really healthy. So it's a very lush, rich environment.